So back in the tunnel again today, March the 6th, down here again in the morning. We've done the other two seeds. We've got the Black Magic Kale and French Breakfast 3 Radish. We've also managed to get some more egg boxes from our friendly local butcher, Bray and Son. Just kind of donated these for free. So let's go have a look and see what we've done on the plot. Things to do. So you can see we've got it all laid out ready to go for this year. These sheets, they're going to be taken up for the sort of turned over. These raised beds, we're going to be getting some small sticks chopped up to line the base to bulk it out. Yesterday we started to work on the bug house, rather aptly named Premier Insect. We've got 4 main beds we're going to be using this year. Those 4 there. Like I say, we're going to be using all of this area and all of that area as well. And just take you for a quick tour of the plot. So fruit trees, they're just starting to bud, most of them. These 2 trees here you can just about see in frame. They're the new ones we've got from Tesco, 2 for £12, so I'm not expecting them to do too much this year because they've only just been planted. Grapevines, they're still quite straggly, but well, it is early here. Up this side we've got the raspberries. Bottom half is the summer raspberries. And in between we've got the gooseberries, 4 gooseberries set up there. And this top half is our autumn raspberries, one of which is a yellow raspberry. The sticks I'm going to use for the raised bed that I just showed down the bottom of the plot. I'm just going to chop these up finally, just get that waste used up. This is the top of the plot you might have seen in previous videos a while ago. This whole top area was a complete mess of overgrown grasses and rubbish. We've managed to clear most of the rubbish away. So we widen the frame a bit, see a bit better. Clear the top plot here, so a lot more organised. Picnic table we got a bit more repaired. Over here is the plum trees you saw before. I'm going to be chopping those up and drilling some holes in for the bug hotel when we get onto it as well. Yeah, just a quick update on the plot. Just pan around a bit more. Just show you as well the rhubarb which we planted last year. They've started to sprout now as well. Coming out nicely there. And the second one, close runner up, is now sprouting as well. Over this side, some more fruit bushes that we put in recently. These 2 with the greenery on them, they're already sprouting. They're 2 red currants. And that one there. And to stop the pesky birds this year, I'm going to be creating some proper fruit cages, which you'll see me build in a future video. So yeah, as you can see, we've got quite a large growing area to play with. So it's about approximately 200 square metres we have to use.